Well, good morning, my berries. It's Darkberry 32. And we're in the new house, as most of you have seen. We did do an empty house tour. So let me just explain. My name is Darkberry 32, and on this channel, you're going to find a little bit of everything, y'all. First of all, I'm a chick that loves a budget. I like to stay on a budget. I love to decorate on a budget, dress on a budget. Anything that I can save a little coin, honey, I am going to do it, and you're going to find it here on this channel. I'm going to teach you guys a whole lot of things. Right now, like I said, you can find things on a budget. I like to do DIYs. I like to do decor. I like to do cooking. I love to do thrifting and shopping and all kinds of things. So you'll find a little bit of everything on this channel. There has been a lull in the videos, and the only reason why we closed on our brand new house. So if you haven't seen the empty house tour, I suggest you go on over and look at the house empty and see how things are going. We did a whole journey on the house, having it built, like you would see, from grass to just a slab, to us praying over the foundation, to us writing scriptures on the forms in the house. So you'll get to see everything. So I suggest you go all the way back, take a look at that. But today is the day that, as you can see from the title, I am going to show you some decor in the house. Your girl is pretty much moved in, okay, y'all? I have been pretty much moved in since Saturday. We moved in a week ago on the 14th, and on Saturday the 20th, honey, this house was put together like your girl don't play. I have been doing some shopping. Those are some other videos that you can see of me shopping and finding different things that I wanted for the house. So you'll get to see that. Right now, I am in my office. This is where I'll be doing most of my videos. So you're getting a little sneak peek. You're not seeing very much, but this won't be in the video today. Today, I am going to do a video, as you can see, on the powder room, just a little bit of how I kind of decorated the powder room, and also our flex room. So that's what you're going to see today. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy bringing this to you guys because I have so many different ideas on how you can budget and have your house looking top notch. And you don't have to go, I mean, I don't have anything against CB2 and, you know, Restoration Hardware and all of those places. Those places are great if you can afford it. But I want my dollar to stretch a little bit more. I feel like if you buy some items that are not like top-notch, high-level like CB2 and all those places, if you buy something that's, you know, mid-range, and if you take care of it, it will last you a long time. Trust me, honey, I know, because I have done it. I really do take care of the items that I have in my house. I also want to take some time to thank everyone for viewing the video. My goodness, I had so many people viewing the empty house tour, and I've gotten so many new subscribers. So I want to say hey, welcome to Darkberry 32. It is great to have you guys over here. I have been on YouTube for a long time. You'll go back and see, I think, things from like, oh my god, I want to say at least 2009, something like that. So I've been on YouTube for a while, and I enjoy YouTube. I enjoy my YouTube family. But I also want to thank everybody for all your beautiful comments of, you know, saying congratulations, and, you know, saying how nice the house is and everything. But now I'm going to dive into some decor, honey, some decor on a budget, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to start here in the powder room. So just to give you an idea, to get you kind of oriented with the house, this is the front door, and then once you enter into the front door, so you'll be facing this way, you just go here to your left and you will find the powder room. So here in the powder room, I kind of kept it simple, but I did go with a certain color. Now, a couple of these pictures that you'll see here, I already had in the last home, and this was in the guest bathroom. I ended up getting, I believe, this picture here from like, oh gosh, I can't remember the name of the store that I got it from. I can't remember, to be honest with you, but I know it was some type of like a Burlington type of store, something like that, maybe a Ross or something like that. So yes, it's Paris is always a good idea. Audrey Hepburn. And so I went with a lot of the black and beige, whites, cream colors, wood tones here in the bathroom. Let me widen this out a little bit so you can see everything. Okay, so these pictures here were actually gifted to me. This is from a former company that I was a part of some years ago. And they were really good quality pictures, and I hung on to them, and I'm glad I did because they look great right here in this bathroom. So it's more of a, I want to say like overseas type thing. You know, you got your Paris, and then the columns kind of remind you of like, you know, Rome or, you know, those different types of things. So that's what I did in here. And then I went on and got like a plant that I picked up at Big Lots. Didn't cost me very much. I might still have the price on the child. Use $10, honey. I got it from Big Lots, and it's the Broyhill brand. And I don't know if some of you guys remember Broyhill. Broyhill was a very good furniture company, and now they're have a line of home decor and stuff at Big Lots. So I suggest you go to Big Lots if you want some good quality decor. That's the place to go. So also I just got like a little inexpensive toilet bowl cleaner brush from Walmart for like, I don't know, like $5 or $6. Went on and got a little trash can from Big Lots. Oops, slanted here. Went on and got a trash can from Big Lots as well. And then this little drawer set here, this cube set, I also got from Big Lots. Now let me tell you guys, I was there, I needed this, I wanted this, right? And they did not have it in a box, so it was already set up, which was a great deal. Like I ended up paying the exact same amount, but it was already set up. I did not have to put it together, which was awesome. I asked them, I said, hey, I don't see another box like this, you know, with this particular cube set in it. Do you guys, can I purchase the one that's already set up? And they said yes. And that was awesome for me because I didn't have to worry about putting it together or anything like that. And I could throw it in here and decorate it. These cubes I also got from Big Lots, and I had no idea. I love the way it looked. I had no idea. I totally forgot that I had this picture of Paris here. And so this just worked out perfectly. Did not even plan it, but it worked out perfectly. Then here I got a cute little funny sign for everybody, you know, when they use the bathroom. It says, text me if you need toilet paper. I know you're on your phone. And I got that from Burlington. I got this candle from a market that we have every year called the Nutcracker Market. And when I tell y'all it smells so good, it's Willow Hill Soap Company. And the name of the scent is Black Ode. And y'all, it's so good. It is a soy candle, and I love it because it's a different smell. Remember this. I'm going to show you something here later. I got the bicycle from... Where did I get that bicycle from? Y'all, I think I got this bicycle from the same place that I got that doggone picture, and I don't want to take this off the wall. I can't remember the name of this store because it's a brand new store here in Houston, and I don't even think they're there anymore. They went out of business, so... Y'all can find stuff like this at Burlington, Ross, places like that. So that's where I got the bicycle. And I thought the bicycle was really great to go with the Paris thing, because you know how you see a lot of people biking around Paris and stuff. And then I got this little plant here from IKEA, right? So back to that candle. They also sell hand soap and lotion. And so I ended up getting the entire set at the Nutcracker Market just for this particular bathroom, because I wanted my guests to feel special when they wash their hands and they put lotion on and stuff. I wanted to, you know, they have this great scent on their hands, and they also have a great scent when they walk into the bathroom from the candle. And then last but not least, these towels here, these are hand kitchen towels that I actually got from IKEA, and I love the contrast. They have the two different designs, and I love putting both of those together and having the contrast of you know, the different lines and stuff like that. So yeah, I kept it kind of simple in here. I still want to hang, I think, some shelves. I'm still not sure if I do hang the shelves. They'll be here over here in this area, and then over there on that side maybe, and that way I can just kind of add a few little more pieces of decor. But yeah, this is our powder room. All right, so next we're gonna go into the flex room. So I'm gonna walk a kind of weird way, guys, because I don't want to show you other parts of the house yet, okay? Because I'm still, you know, we're still kind of working on them. So now we're in the flex room, and y'all take a look at my flex room. This is what I ended up doing to this flex room. What do you think? What do you think? I feel like I took a risk by getting this credenza here, but it was a risk that paid off. I totally love it. So a lot of you guys who have been around, you've seen a lot of these pieces except for that credenza. That credenza is new, but everything else that's in this living room, that's in this flex room, came from my old living room in the previous house that we just moved out of. So this here, let's just start over here on this side. This is a bench set that my former boss gave to me. They did not want it. It was ripped all on the seating. I went to a fabric store and got some leather, and I reupholstered the bottom of this, and it worked out perfectly. I love the touches of red that's in the back, which made it really go really well with the two chairs that we have on the other side of the room. I got these tables on Wayfair, I believe. I think I got these on Wayfair a while back. This table and the coffee table as well. And as you can see, that's a picture of my husband and I. This is before we got married. Yes, this was before we got married. So this is like our engagement pictures. We've been married for, oh gosh, almost 7 years. Yeah. My goodness, almost 7 years. It'll be 7 years in May. And so I just kind of got that leaning up against some white lamps. The lamp looks just like this. I have 3 of those here in the flex room. The vase that you see at the bottom came from Kirkland's. I got those a while back. Not sure where I got the angel wings, y'all. Let me see if the price, no, I don't have the price on them, so I can't tell you. Sometimes I do leave the prices on things. But then I got this lantern from Walmart. I got 2 of those. So I have 1 on each table. And then you can find these candles like on Amazon, Big Lots, any place like that, that just kind of keeps, it's so nice at night when you turn the lights off and you have that glow of the candles, and I so like that. I'll come back to this. This is my little helper here, but I'll come back to this. I got this bird here, and I think I got him a while, I know I got him a while back when I first moved into the house, and I believe that was like a TJ Maxx at the time. I think before they even had Home Goods. So yeah, that's where I got that from. And then this credenza came from a local furniture store. If you're in Houston, I would suggest you look up Skiros. They are one of the best companies known. I mean, I have no complaints about them. So look them up. Skiros, S-K-E-R-O, Skiros. So yeah, so that's where I got that from. This picture also came from previous, the same people that gave me the picture that's in the powder room are the same ones. We went out of, basically the business shut down and they were like, hey, take whatever you want. And I did grab that picture, and I love it because it has a little hint of red, but it's not so much that it's not matchy, you know? And then of course we have our family Holy Bible there. We have a bunch of Mikasa type of glassware. I have this horse. My son brought me this sign that says bless this house, and he actually went to Goodwill and found that for me, and I love it. He knows also that I love giraffes, and so I got her tucked away over here. She needs to come out a little bit because I think she got pushed around by the vacuum cleaner. So yeah, we're gonna put her out there. And then again, we have another side table here and lamp. We got the lantern again, and then this vase also came from Kirkland's. And then of course I have my little scent, my wax thing there that melts the wax and keeps your house smelling really well, and that's kind of nice when people first come through the door. I got these 2 chairs from Costco, believe it or not, and I've had these for a while, and just everything just kind of meshed for me. This tray is from Magnolia, what is it? The Joanna Gaines line. Here, let me look. Let's go over this way. I don't want to show y'all too much. Hearth and Hand with Magnolia. So that's where I got that. And then, of course, you know, you can find candles anywhere. The pineapple, I think, was from Walmart. And then this, believe it or not, even though it matches those two vases that are underneath the table, I got that from Goodwill, believe it or not. My son loves to buy me decor, and he bought me these elephants for good luck. He's bought me those a while back. And yeah, so this is it, guys. This is the flex room, and over here is the powder room. So you guys have to tell me what you think about the setup so far. And we do have pictures that we're gonna hang, so you'll get to see more of the space as we, you know, put things together. I'm a little afraid sometimes to put up certain pictures that I know I'm gonna have a hard time with, so I just kind of wait, you know, and maybe leave it to Earl to do, or we both do it together. So yeah, that is it, guys. That is it. I hope you've enjoyed this portion of the video. Let me know what you think in your comments. You know, I'm also going to hang this picture on the wall. It's not going to sit there, but I'm going to hang it on the wall as well. And then, of course, at one, you know, later on, we'll get curtains and all that kind of stuff to hang up. So you'll see things kind of slowly come together. But so far, so good. This is what I have. And yeah, I'm so interested in seeing or hearing your comments on the powder room and the flex room. Next week, I'll probably bring you the entryway and maybe, like, I don't know, the laundry room or something like that. Don't hold me to it. I may even go straight up into the living room and the entryway. So yeah, we got a lot to show you, So again, let me know what you think, okay? All right, my berries, so that's it. Again, I can't wait to get your comments. I hope you like what you saw so far. There's gonna be much, much more. I'm gonna try to bring you at least one video a week so that you can see exactly what we're doing here in the house and how we're decorating on a budget. So again, thank you guys again, blah, blah, blah. Thank you guys again for tuning in, and I just wanna thank you all for your support. I mean, this was a trying time for Earl and I. It was a lot. It was a lot, y'all. But God saw us through it. You guys were praying, family were praying, friends were praying, we were praying, everyone was praying for us, and we so appreciate it. Don't think it has gone unnoticed. It has not. I love you guys. I thank you again for your support, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Alright guys, thank you again so much for watching my video. But if you would like to stay in contact with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can do so by following me on Facebook at Darkberry032 and Darkberry32 on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on Instagram putting up different videos. And again, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot with YouTube, and it'll get my algorithms up to par and everything. So if you guys appreciate these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. Okay guys, thank you again. Bye.